All right, so main takeaways for detection. I wanted you to see the difference between signature-based versus anomaly detection, detecting known bad stuff versus trying to characterize known good. I wanted you to see the challenges of evasion. I wanted you to see how to evaluate detection, and I definitely want you to know about the base rate problem. The base rate problem is a major challenge. I bet you that'll be on either your next midterm or on your final exam. Okay, so I'm about to move on to my next topic. Any questions about detection? Base rate fallacy, does it refer to only false positives or could it be false negatives too? Base rate fallacy usually refers only to false positives. And the reason is the base rate fallacy occurs when you have lots and lots of requests. And then that can cause a fairly large number of false positives. So it's because of large numbers. You could imagine something analogous happening if there were lots and lots and lots of attacks, but usually that's not the case. Usually the real situation is when we're looking for attacks, we're looking for a needle in a haystack. So there's tens of millions of benign requests and only a handful of attacks in there. So base rate fallacy is understood to refer to false positives. It's a consequence of the fact that there's a much smaller number of attacks than of overall benign requests. Why is signature-based called blacklisting and anomaly whitelist? Signature-based detection measures have signatures of known malware. And then anything that matches that signature is treated as bad. Anything that doesn't match that is assumed to be good. So the signatures are the blacklist. Those are the known bad things. And anything that's not known to be bad, not on the blacklist, is just like assumed to be good. Okay, so that's the kind of the parallel between blacklisting and signature-based detection. And it has all of the benefits and downsides of blacklisting. Like blacklisting tends to have a very low false positive rate, but can miss many attacks. And the same is true of signature-based detection.